Hello there, hope you all are doing great. Well, unless your GPS is not working. Say no more, cause in this video, we're gonna show you what you can do when your GPS or location is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. And all this process in this video will work on any Samsung A series phone. Just make sure Google Map is installed on your phone. Now first check if location is turned on or not. Just swipe down the quick panel, expand it, swipe left, and here's your location. Turn it on by tapping on it. If location is not turning on from here, don't worry. Straight from settings, scroll down and look for location. There is it. Tap on it and toggle it on. Now go to app permissions. Scroll down and look for maps. Tap on maps and then select allow all the time. Go back 2 steps and then tap on location services. Tap on Google location accuracy and then toggle on improve location accuracy. Go back 1 step, scroll down a bit and toggle on Wi-Fi scanning and also Bluetooth scanning. Your GPS should work absolutely fine now. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is reset network settings on your phone. For that, again, straight from settings, just look for general management. There is it. Tap on it. Scroll down, tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. Tap on reset settings, and then reset. Now after that, go back and put down your Wi-Fi information and connect to the internet and stuff. And if you need to re-customize all the GPS settings on your phone, you can do it just like the way we have shown you. There are still some things that can interfere with your GPS service like bad weather, or if you're at a congested area and surrounded by a lot of tall buildings and stuff like that. So just check out for these things, okay? And let us know in the comment section if that worked out or not, so we can come back and help you with that. We're always here for you. Thank you for watching.